Nick Zernecki. I'm the marketing manager for magnetic position sensors, and we're here at Electronica showing a variety of our products, including our Gen 1 and Gen 2 products, as well as a joystick demo showing how we can sense non-contacting rotary motion, linear motion, as well as 3D joystick motion, which is visualized here on this LED cube next to me.
With the development of autonomous driving, it's very important today to know what the driver is doing inside the car, what is being driven itself. So Generation 2 time-of-flight chipset allows you to do person classification, making the difference between an object and a people, and knowing the behavior of the driver. If he's looking at the window, if he keeps his hand on the wheel, if he's really focused on driving or doing something else.
We're showing to the people how our new 32 by 24 thermal pixel array can be used for people detection. So actually the colors that you see represent the temperature. So blue represents a cool temperature, red represents a high temperature. But on top of this, we actually put some additional algorithm which can decide if a certain hotspot is actually a person. And this is shown by the white squares in the image.
And speaking for current sensors, what we primarily see here is that there's a lot of traction for 48-volt systems, the mild hybridization, and those people need, let's say, cost-effective, downsized, small current sensing solutions, which is exactly what Melexis provides. So that is one key topic that we have seen. The other one, of course, is the general electrification trend also for high-voltage battery electric vehicles, where people are also looking not only on the traction side, where we have very adapted product, but also for battery applications.
Well, I think it's been a fantastic edition of Electronica 2018. The booth was awesome. The demonstrations got a lot of interest, and I think we're really ready to continue this fantastic journey towards more smart sensors and more smart drivers in our markets. Thank you.